Bismillah. Hello everyone. Let's practice one of the most difficult question in the PTE exam, which is repeat sentence. Actually, I'm struggling with this kind of questions, and I'm trying to practice more and more to be a little bit not professional, but be good in it. Let's see. Let's try this one. Oh, I did it before, and I marked it red. No, I will not do it. Let's try this one.
Evaporation is the process of turning liquid into gas.
Evaporation is a process of turning liquid to gas. Let's see. Okay. I said to gas. Into gas. Okay. Let's try another one. I practice this. I practice this. Let's see this one.
All students depend on their future.
All students depend on their future. It was very easy and simple and almost 5-6 words. So, alhamdulillah, get 90. I hope all the repeat sentence question be like this. Let's try another one.
Control systems in manufacturing require a high level of accuracy.
Control system and manufacturing requires a high level of accuracy. Why? Why fluency 70, man? Why? I think it was good. Should I do it more rapid than this? I don't know. Okay. Anyway, let's try another one.
High education means higher pay you will get.
High education means high paid you will get. How is this? Higher pay. Higher pay. Not high pay. Higher. Higher education means higher pay you will get. But the point is why? Because I think this second, I don't know why it is so low fluency. Okay, let's try something else. Here.
If finance is a cause for concern, scholarships may be available.
I didn't hear anything.
If finance is a cause for concern, scholarships may be available.
If finance is a call of concern, scholarships may be available. Oh man. Oh man. Why? It's only these 2 words. Okay. Okay. Let's try another one.
Scientists are always asking the government for more money.
What happened?
Scientists are always asking the government for more money.
Science always asking for what is this again?
Scientists are always asking the government for more money.
Scientists always asking the government for my money. No, I will start.
Scientists are always asking the government for more money.
Scientists are always asking the government for my money. Actually, here the point is I try to understand the sentence, and this is a problem. I feel that repeat sentence should do the sentence as much as it is, and without even thinking about the meaning of the sentence. Let's see. It will give me what, 50? Really? Okay, it's good. Scientists for more money. Yeah, for more money. The point is here when I was listening it like for my money, and I'm telling myself why he's saying for my money. This is the point. This is what was trying to adjust, and this is actually wrong. When we are practicing for doing this, we should saying as the speaker says without even thinking in the meaning. That's the point. Okay, let's try another one.
There are many good methods that can be used.
There are many good methods that can be used. Alhamdulillah. But it is so easy actually. The words are very easy to pronounce, so straightforward. I hope all the question will be like this in the repeat sentence exam. Okay. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching.